guys, welcome back to the Scary Squad. Today, my neighbors texted me and said, hey, we're going out on vacation. Last week. This week, they said they wouldn't be home for 2 weeks. A couple days later, their kitchen light was on, even though they said that they were out of town, so I don't really know. And we also heard something like this. And we don't even know what it was, but it really freaked us out, and we were just watching videos on the phone, and then we just heard that noise, and then we also heard a chainsaw noise, and we also heard scary singing, so we didn't know what happened. And right now we're just sitting over here doing something, and then we heard the noise, and then we were like, what the heck was that? So, and this is our very first video ever making, so watch till part 2. Today we are going to be trying to convince my dad to let us go outside, but he said it's wet outside, so we're just like, ugh. So today, how are we supposed to sneak out? The window doesn't work. So today we will just put the phone at the window.